Hi, and welcome to the Shopware release news of August 2022. We released the Shopware version 6.4.14.0, and next to a few bug fixes, we also added some new features that I'm going to show you in this video. So let's start with the general news. The first function that has been added is with the bulk edit in the order overview. You now have the option to send the status mails and also the documents within the status mails. The condition here is that you've already changed the status of one of the orders. You can also create documents, and you can download the documents if they already exist within the orders. We have also changed the design of the payment method details so that they align the same way in SaaS and on-prem. The payment methods are now shown like this, so that every payment method has its own box where you can activate it and edit the details. You can also edit display order in checkout, so you can change the display order just by simply drag and dropping the payment methods up and down. The next feature is also kind of a bug fix. The feature, first of all, is that you can add a main category in the SEO settings. So this category will be chosen for the breadcrumb, for example. This is also a bug fix because sometimes a category would be chosen that is not active and the product would not be available via the breadcrumb. Furthermore, we added the feature that when a category does not have a layout and you select create new layout for this category, the category is automatically added and assigned to this category, and you don't have to go back to the category after creating the shopping experience. The last improvement of the general news is the improvement of internal linking within the shop. We already had an improvement for this in the April release, but this was only for the text editors. And now we added the same feature also for pictures. So now you can choose the link type, for example, a product or category, which simplifies the linking a lot more. Let's now move to the dev news. This release contains a small yet delightful improvement for app developers. It is now possible to add an additional field to your customer profile in the storefront to fetch extra data from the customer. For example, think of favorite food in an app for recommendations. There are even more changes that could be of your interest, so check out our changelog on GitHub for more information. And now the news that are exclusively related to the commercial Shopware editions. In this case, we improved our social shopping sales channels, and identifying orders that came via these sales channels, or in that case via social media, are now marked as those. So you can see in the orders that they came from social media, and also with the sales channels you get a statistic where the orders, the customers, and the turnover is shown. And last but not least, we would like to say thank you to all GitHub contributors for the pull requests we could merge in this version.